To download the MetaTrader 4 application, simply go to your App Store. Depending what device you have, this will vary. On an Android device, this will be the Play Store, and on an Apple device, this will be the App Store. Once opened, just search for the application called MetaTrader 4. The application should look like the one you can see on screen now. Download and install this application. Once this has completed, you should be able to launch the application. When you open the application for the first time, it will automatically open a new demo account for you. If you haven't picked a broker account yet, or don't have an account set up with anyone else, I'd advise just using this demo account for now, until you feel ready to move over to a real broker account later. I'll show you why this is important later in the video. If you already have an account you want to log into, then you can do this by clicking the menu button in the top left corner of the screen. It will look like three small horizontal lines. This will open the sidebar menu. Then click Manage Accounts at the top of this sidebar. Here you will see the existing demo account that the application has just opened for you. To log into another account, press the plus icon across the top of the screen. This will bring up a new menu. Press the Login to Existing Account button. Simply search for the server of your existing broker. If you are unsure what this is, they usually email you the details for this process when you open the account. Here on screen you can see that ACY Securities have sent me an email with my account number, password and server name. Once you have found the correct server, simply click on it and it will bring you to the login menu. Enter your account number in the top box and your password in the box below. Then press sign in at the bottom of the screen. You should be then redirected to the account screen and see that you are now logged into the account you just added. You can see on screen that I'm now logged into my ACY Securities demo account and that the MT4 demo account the application set up for me is now inactive below this. If I ever wanted to log back into this, I can click the account, then press sign in as the login details will be remembered for me. If you want to remove an account, just press and hold on the account box and then hit delete on the menu that appears. The first screen you will see when you open the application is the quotes screen. This screen is essentially a watch list of different markets. The market ticker symbol is shown on the left hand side of this list. These symbols refer to specific markets and aren't always easy to understand and may vary slightly from broker to broker. Underneath the market ticker symbol you will see the current time. This is set based on your broker's time zone settings and cannot be changed. You may notice that this quoted time doesn't match your own time zone. This doesn't matter. Beneath this you can see the price spread for the market. To the right hand side of this you will see two prices in a large font. The price on the left is the sell price and the price on the right is the buy price. The spread shows you the difference between these two prices. The low and high price below the sell and buy prices are the lowest price of the day and the highest price of the day so far. You can add, rearrange and remove markets from this list by using the two buttons in the top right hand corner. To add more markets to this list, click the plus icon. This will open a new screen with a search bar at the top and folders below. Any available markets will be sorted in the corresponding folders. So if you were searching for the euro-dollar market for example, you could either search this in the search box at the top or look in the Forex folder and select it from there. Please note that if the market you are looking for is already in your quotes list, it will not appear in this search. The available markets in this search will vary depending on what markets your broker offers. As you can see, when I'm using the demo account set up by the MT4 application, I can only see a selection of Forex markets in this window. However, when I'm logged into my ACY Securities account, I can see various market types including oil, metals, CFDs, commodities and cryptos. You will also notice that I have a lot more Forex markets available in the Forex folder. This is because ACY Securities offer the availability to trade all these markets. To rearrange the list of markets in the quotes tab, just press the pencil icon in the top right corner of the screen. You should now see a little drag icon appear next to each ticker symbol. Just press and drag each market to your desired location to rearrange this list. Once you are done, just press the back arrow in the top left corner to return to the tab view. To delete a market from this list, again press the pencil icon in the top right corner of this screen, then press the bin icon in the top right corner. You should see checkboxes appear next to all the markets in this list. Simply check all the markets you want to remove and then press the bin icon again and it will delete the selected markets. Press the back arrow in the top left corner to return to the main screen. You may notice that you are unable to delete one or more markets from the quotes list. This is because either the market is currently open in the chart screen, which we will look at later in the video, or because you have a live trade or pending trade on that market. Again, we'll cover this a little bit later in the video. But if either of these things are true, the app won't let you remove the market from the quotes list. You can change the settings for the quotes tab by opening up the sidebar menu by clicking in the top left corner of the screen and then clicking the settings button. Under the quotes heading, you can deselect advanced mode and this will give you a simplified quotes tab with only the market ticker symbol, sell price and buy price displayed for each market. I noticed that the quotes tab was on advanced mode by default when I first opened the app, even though this option wasn't selected. So you may need to turn it off and on a few times to begin with, if yours is a little bugged like mine. Using the navigation menu across the bottom of the screen, the second tab you will see is the Chart tab. This shows you the chart for the last selected market. You can see the market ticker symbol being currently shown in the top left corner of the chart window. To open the chart for a different market, just head back over to the Quotes tab, click the ticker symbol of the market you want to see, and then press the Open Chart option. This will take you back to the Chart tab, but it will now show the market you just selected. You can also press the icon that looks like a $sign across the top of the chart window, and this will show a simple list of all the markets on your Quotes tab. You can use this menu to quickly change the chart screen market. If the market you are looking for isn't on this list, you'll need to add it to the Quotes tab list as demonstrated earlier. Next to the market ticker symbol is the time frame notation. As you can see on screen, this is currently showing M5, which means we are looking at a 5-minute chart. To change the time frame of the chart, just press the clock icon across the top of the chart window. This will then show a list of different available time frames from 1 minute to 1 month. Just select the time frame you want to see and the chart will change to the selected time frame. Please note that you cannot have custom time frames on this app. You can only choose from the options in this time frame list. Below this you should be able to see 4 numbers. These 4 numbers are the open, high, low and close prices for the current candle. You will see them changing as the current candle develops. The chart type will be set to candlestick by default. The chart will show the price scale on the right hand side and the time scale along the bottom of the chart. Again, if the price doesn't make sense to you at the moment, the Trading Basics course on the channel will teach you how to read this. You can use the Crossair tool to inspect the chart with more precision. To use this tool, press the crosshair icon across the top of the chart window. This will then turn the crosshair cursor on. You can now drag the crosshair anywhere on the chart to see the price levels, times, the open, high, low and close prices for the selected candle. Just press the crosshair icon again to turn this off. You can enter a trade directly from the chart window by clicking the New Order button in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the Market Order screen. At the top of this screen, you will see the ticker symbol and the market name of the market you are about to trade. This will be the same market you are looking at on the previous chart window. If you want to change this market, you can either go back to the Quotes tab, tap the market you want to trade, and press New Order. Or, in the Market Order screen, you can press the dollar symbol in the top right corner of the screen and choose from a list of markets from your Quotes tab. Underneath the market symbol, you will see the order type. By default, this is set to Market Execution. If clicking this option, you can choose Market Execution, which is the same as at market price, Buy Limit, Sell Limit, Buy Stop, and Sell Stop. Below this, you can set your position size. This is quoted in lots and can be amended by either using the buttons either side of the central number or by clicking on the number in the center and entering the number of lots you want to trade manually. Again, position sizing is covered in the Trading Basics series on the channel if you need to learn more about this. Below this, you will see 2 prices for the market you are looking at. The sell price is on the left and the buy price is on the right. If you choose anything except Market Execution, you will see a box below the sell and buy prices to enter the market price you want the order to be set at. So for example, if you wanted to set a sell stop order, you would need to enter the price you want this order to be triggered. Once price moves down past this level, the order will be triggered. Below this you will see a red and green box to enter your stop loss and take profit levels. Enter the stop loss level you want in the red box and the take profit level you want in the green box. Again, you can use the buttons either side or simply click in the box and manually type the level you want. Again, if you are using any order type apart from market execution, you will see an expiration setting below the stop loss and take profit boxes. By default, this is set to GTC, which stands for good till cancelled, which simply means this order will stay active until it is either triggered or cancelled by you. Alternatively, you can set this to specified, which then lets you set a date and time to cancel the order if it hasn't been triggered by the day and time set. Below this you will see a graph with two lines. This simply shows the movement of the market in a line graph form, the blue line being the sell price and the red line being the buy price. Once you are happy with all the details for the market order, press either the sell by market button or buy by market button to submit your sell or buy order. You will then be redirected to the trade tab. If this is a market execution order, the trade will be opened instantly and you will see it listed under the positions heading on the trade tab. If it is another type of order, you will see the pending order listed under the orders heading on the trade tab. You can open the trade tab by clicking the arrow button on the navigation menu across the bottom of the screen. If you have any open trades, you will see a live profit and loss amount for all your trades combined at the top of the screen. This will be fluctuating as the market prices change for any of those open trades. There will be no number visible here if there are no open trades on your account. Below this you will see a list of numbers specific to your account. Balance is simply the amount you have in your trading account, not including any open positions. So any unrealized profits or losses will not be taken into account in the balance figure. Equity is the same number as the balance figure, but this time it does include any profits or losses from open positions. If you have open trades on the account, this number will fluctuate as those trades fluctuate too. Free margin is the amount in your trading account that isn't attributed to any open positions. Margin level percentage is the total amount in your account divided by the margin amount needed to open the position. Margin is the amount in your account that is attributed to open positions. Under these numbers you will see any live trades or pending orders that are active on your account. Under the positions heading you will see a list of all the live trades. For each trade you will see the market ticker symbol on the left hand side, whether it is a buy or sell position, the position size, the price you entered the market at, the price the market is currently trading at, and your unrealized profit or loss on the trade on the right hand side. Under the orders heading you will see a list of any pending market orders placed. These orders will stay in this list until they are either triggered or cancelled. Once the order is triggered, you will see the live trade under the positions heading. Similar to the open positions, you can see the market ticker symbol for the order, what type of order it is, the position size for the order, the price the order is set at, and the current market price for the market on the right hand side. You can also click on any of the trades or orders listed in the screen to see more details about them. Clicking on one of them will reveal the stop loss level set, take profit level set, trade ID, swap amount, tax amount, and any commissions. You can hide these details again by re-clicking on the trade or order. You can arrange these lists in a few different ways by pressing the sort button across the top of the screen. This then lets you sort these lists by either order, which is trade direction, time, symbol, and profit. You can click the same option twice to sort the lists in the reverse order for that setting if desired. You can also enter new trades directly from this tab by clicking the new order button in the top right corner of the screen. This will then open the new order screen that we looked at earlier. To close or modify a trade or pending order, you can press and hold on the trade or order you want to amend. This will bring up a menu that differs slightly depending whether you have clicked on a trade or an order. If you press and hold on a trade, you can then close the trade, open a new order on the same market, modify the stop loss and take profit levels, or open the chart window for that market. Opening the same menu on a pending order lets you modify the order levels, delete the order, or open the chart window for that market. You can also access these menus by sliding the trade or order entries to the left to reveal some quick buttons. The tick symbol opens the trade screen to close the trade. The pencil button opens the screen to edit the levels, and the chart button opens the chart window for that market. You can open the History tab by pressing the In Tray button on the navigation menu across the bottom of the screen. This screen shows you the trade history of your account. It will show you the history of the current day only. You can change this by clicking the calendar button in the top right corner. It has some preset time periods to choose from, or you can press Custom Period and pick a start and end date for the time period you want to see. This tab will show you the profit and loss for the time period selected at the top of the screen. As far as I'm aware, the balance figure is always the same as the profit figure. I don't know how or when these numbers vary. If anybody watching this video knows, please let us know in the comments below, and I will pin the comment if needed. Below the profit numbers you will see a list of all the closed positions for the time period selected. A trade will only show in this list if it has been closed in the selected history time period. As with the Trade tab, you can see the market ticker symbol, trade direction, position size, opening price, closing price, and realised profit or loss on the right hand side. You can also click on each trade entry to reveal the same trade details as before. This includes the stop loss level, take profit level, trade ID, swap amount, taxes, and commissions if applicable. As with the Trade tab, you can sort this list by clicking the button with the two arrows across the top of the screen. You can sort by symbol, order, which is trade direction, opening time, closing time, and profit. And again, if you click the same option twice, it will reverse the order for that setting. You can also refine the list to only show certain markets if desired by clicking the $ button across the top of the screen. This will show a list of all the different markets within the current list. Choosing an option will then only show this market in the list below. You can press the $ button again and then press all symbols to return to the full list. And that covers everything you need to know about the MetaTrader 4 mobile application.